Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Supermarket Together game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and after you have logged in, you will be taken into the store page. From here, just click on the search box, and now just type in Supermarket Together and begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page, where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Library or the Play button, which will add the game into your library. You can then click on Play Now in order to open up the installer. Once you choose your directory and start the installation, just wait until the process is completed. And once it is done, you can start enjoying the Supermarket Together game on your device. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Supermarket Together on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.